Next one is ignition temperature. It is the temperature that is the lowest temperature at which a substance get easily fire. For example, if you take a paper, as I said in the previous, if you bring a lighted matchstick nearby the paper, it gets fire. This is what we call ignition temperature. But at the same time, when we bring the same lighted matchstick nearby a wooden piece, it will not get fire. That means the ignition temperature of paper is low compared with wooden piece. That is, it will get fire only when it reaches its ignition temperature. At the temperature only it will get fire. That is what it has the highest ignition temperature. That is the wooden piece. Next one topic is types of combustion. There are mainly, we have 5 different types. First one is rapid combustion. I tell you one thing. If you go and see any petrol pump, you will find letters like no smoking and also inflammable. This is because, both petrol and diesel will get easily fired. That is what they have put no smoking. Why? Because if you go smoking nearby the petrol pump means what will happen? Immediately the heat which was brought over to the petrol or diesel, it will immediately get fired. That is the rapid combustion. Okay. Next one is spontaneous combustion. I tell you, if you take a bottle, you have some white phosphorus in the bottle and it is in closed condition. If you open the cover of that glass, what will happen? Immediately it gets fired. This is because the white phosphorus has a very close ignition temperature. Immediately it will get fire. Similarly, if we go and see fire in a forest, that also will be a spontaneous combustion. Okay. And next one is explosion. I think many of you would have gone that explosive. Okay. Example, if you go and see any festival that may be conducted Hindu or Muslim or Christian, at the end of festival time, you can see lot of crackers. How it functions, They put the cracker, they will simply fire. How will happen? Immediately it liberates more amount of heat energy, so explosive noises. That is what you call explosion type of combustion. Okay. And next type is complete combustion. In complete combustion, all the fuel will completely burn. No one will be left. That's what you call complete combustion. But in case of incomplete combustion, a part will not get fired and it will be turned out unburned. Yes, that is what? Incomplete combustion. Okay, let's see one example. If you see this one, this is complete combustion. If you see, this is methane. It reacts with oxygen. We get carbon dioxide plus water. You see the reaction. This is CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus TH2. Here we get the energy, that is heating energy. But in case of incomplete combustion, if you go and look second example, same 2CH4 plus 3O2, it gets 2CO plus 4H2O. CO means what? Carbon monoxide. That will make unwanted problem in the environmental. It makes some unwanted disease like blood cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer. That is what we need to be very, very careful. Why? Because in the first case, we have found only CO2 and H2O. That means we completely got fired. Everything completely burned. We got the energy. But in case of here, we have got 2 COs. CO means what? Carbon monoxide. That is unburned gases. This will make the unwanted trouble in the environmental. That is what we call incomplete combustion. Okay, these are all the types of combustion. Okay.